Hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, hello sa mga Capricorn dyan. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang inyong weekly love reading para sa March 23, okay, to 29. Okay, so, habang binabasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Capricorn na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much po. Please continue to support by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. Comment na rin sa baba kung nag-resonate ang reading. At sa mga bago, please subscribe na po sa channel. Okay, thank you very much. So, bubunot ako ng dalawang cards from this deck. That would be the overall energy of your reading. Tapos interpret natin siya further sa other deck. So, third card, March, the Hermit. And, the Devil. Okay. Okay, sige. So, at the moment, okay, so lumabas si the Hermit and the Devil. So, what I can see here is merong person na very detached. At the moment, parang nagsi-self-reflect itong tao na to, yung person ninyo, trying to do some, soul searching ba? Tinatry niya i-process yung emotions niya. And itong tao na to is, the devil na energy na nakita ko dito is, very kasi siya, parang prone siya sa temptation. Kaya at the moment, parang kailangan niya muna ng space to reflect on ano ba yung gusto niya talaga sa isang relationship. Okay, wala to sa'yo, hindi mo to issue. I mean, wag mong isipin na parang dahil sa'yo, hindi. Itong reason na to ay dahil sa kanya. Ayan. So, di ba? Kumakaw yung aso. Sorry kung naririnig niyo yung barking ng dog. But it's also siguro a sign na, okay, it's time naman din to really let this person do his or her thing muna at the moment. Kasi don't try to manipulate the situation din. Kasi ito rin tao, yun nga, parang prone siya to mga ganong unwise decisions. Okay? And may tendency nga din siya to manipulate things para mag-align lagi sa favor niya. Okay, but now, at the moment, naka-hermit mode itong person ninyo. And let's see the reason why. Ano yung energy ito. And the devil is Capricorn energy din siya. So, what I mean is possible that you are dealing with a Capricorn and a Virgo with the Hermit and the Devil card. Sige, bubunot ako ng 8 cards from this and gusto ko lang i-remind ng lahat as always that this is a collective reading so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Huwag pilitin kapag hindi nag-resonate, ibig lang sabihin hindi ko nasagap ang energy ninyo today. So, abangan nyo na lang mga susunod ko pang video. So, best to subscribe para updated kayo or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na baka isa din ay mag-resonate dahil timeless naman talaga ang tarot and oracle reading. At ang pinaka-okay ay mag-book ng personal reading. So, nasa description box yung email ko kasi pag personal sa private reading, mas naka-tune in tayo sa energy ninyo. Okay? Hindi siya like collective. Oh, ayan. Sige, tignan natin. Bunot ako ng 8 cards. Third card. Well, March. Time flies, no? First card. 3 of Coins. Second card. Judgment. Okay. See? Third card. Death card. Fourth is 3 of Cups. Fourth card. Fifth card is Ten of Cups. Okay. The World. Two of Cups. Oh. Last. Okay. Knight of Cups. Okay. Bottom of the deck, Eight of Cups. Okay, this is what you don't see coming. Alright, so, di ba naka-hermit mode ngayon yung person ninyo? Trying to reflect on things, process the emotions, and try to be more wise. Kasi ang dami yung mga unwise decisions na naganap in the relationship in the past. And as shown here by the Three of Coins, na itong person ninyo talaga is making an effort naman and trying to do his or her best to grow as a person and to grow in the relationship. Kaya nagsiself-reflect itong tao na to. And gusto niya naman talaga ng collaboration with you. As shown here by the Three of Coins, saka Three of Cups. Three of Coins and Three of Cups are cards of collaboration and support sa bawat isa. So, babalik naman tong tao na to. And itong tao na to will really decide, as shown here by the Judgment card, to really first ask for forgiveness for mga nagawa niya na hindi mo ikinasaya, and this person will really put an effort to redeem himself or herself sa nagdaang sitwasyon, and there will be an transformation. So si Death card dito is a card of transformation or rebirth ba. So from that old person, working on him or himself or herself, magta-transform siya into someone better, and this will result to a celebration. Alam mo yun, parang babalik siya, maging kapatawaran, and there will be better moments, happier moments together once na mag-decide na ito na magparamdam ulit, magpakita ulit, or makipagbalikan sa'yo. Not saying na totally in separation kaya, it's just temporary. Naka-hermit mode lang siya. Okay? Parang gusto lang niya muna mapag-isa ng space. Okay? But not really to separate with you. Parang gusto lang muna niyang ayusin yung sarili niya para bumalik siya sa iyo as a better person. And mahal ka nitong tao na to, as shown here by the Ten of Cups. And the World card. Ten of Cups is a card of love. Okay? And gusto niya nitong ma-reunite talaga sa inyo. At the moment, miss na miss ka na nitong tao na to while in hermit mode. Kasi para sa kanya, you're a wish fulfillment din. Ikaw yung kumukumpleto sa kanya, as shown here by the World card, and the Two of Cups, which is another love card, but more on the relationship, connection, attraction, and gusto ka talaga nitong tao na to. Okay? And din dito sa Knight of Cups that there will be an unexpected gesture. So, yun nga, biglang babalik siya sa'yo, and may mga surprises siyang gagawin for you. And one surprise is I think the energy of the Eight of Cups that you don't see coming, which is Eight of Cups is really letting go of the past, of parang new person na siyang babalik that will come as a surprise. Kasi Eight of Cups is also a card of self-discovery, so knowing oneself, being aware of the goods and not so good and not so good things about himself or herself. Ma-realize niyo, babalik siya sa iyo as a better person. Okay? So, that's good. Yeah, so babalik siya as a better person, and tingnan natin yung ano ba yung advice ni universe sa inyo. I will seal this reading with an oracle card, which is a message from the universe. Okay. So, thoughtfulness, yeah. Very thoughtful naman, or inisip ka din naman itong tao na to talaga. While in hermit mode, ikaw lang talaga din nasa isip niya at paano niya gagawin paano siya babalik sa'yo na mas katanggap na tao. Meaning, mas better person. Yun. So, yeah, just be patient with this person. Tayin mo lang siyang bumalik at mag-explain at ipakita yung version 2.0 ng person mo. Okay? So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo, kita-kits. Ingat!